Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to remove watermark from photo/video. So let's see how you do this. First, I want this watermark from video. Then remove text from this photo with HitPaw software. Download link in the description below, download the file and extract to file. Enter the password, type 123 and hit OK. Set up HitPaw Watermark Remover. Choose I accept the agreement and click Next. Remove the stick before that finish. Open Fix folder, copy remove watermark. Now open Program File Location and replace the file. Click Continue. Now open HitPaw Watermark Remover. First remove image watermark, click Choose File, choose or any image. I select the text for remove from image. Click Remove now. See, it has been removed. I vanish the spot, select the spot. Choose Remove Mode Smooth Filling, click Remove now and click Export. Next, remove watermark from my video. Click Choose File and select my video. Select watermark. If you confirm, select Remove AMP, Export. Look, it has been removed. Thanks for watching video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.